Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your Technology Advisor, and today's topic is Technology Advisory Services. Technology Advisory and Planning Services are available to our Managed Services customers and are designed to help you get the most out of your technology. We will help you identify areas that improvements can be made to improve the end-user experience, workflow, and productivity for your organization. Meetings will be set up annually to recap current technologies in place, as well as visit important topics such as IT security, backup and disaster recovery, and other important business topics. If you'd like to learn more about TeamLogic IT Managed Services and our Technology Advisory Services, please reach out today. Until next time.